This next question is from the 2019 STAAR. So this question asks about perimeter, but it also utilizes measuring. So remember, any question on the STAAR that utilizes measuring, rip that page, that ruler page. I know this is the graph paper, but rip that ruler page right out of your STAAR and go ahead and measure. You can always hand it in at the end. We've got staplers, I can staple it for you, right? But go ahead and rip that out, use it to get an accurate measure of the question, right? So this question on the STAAR asks about this calculator. It wants us to find the perimeter of this calculator and look closely at the instructions. A model of Mr. Estrada's rectangular calculator is shown. Use the ruler provided to measure the length and width of the calculator to the, this is a key, nearest centimeter, okay? So, and then look, which measurement is closest? Those are two key pieces of information that tell you, those are hints, right? It's telling you it's not gonna be perfect. It's gonna be nearest or closest. So if your answer isn't on there, don't freak out. Look for the nearest or closest one. So you would rip your piece of paper out, right? I have my ruler here. But you'd rip your piece of paper out of the STAAR and go ahead and measure. So if I'm measuring, and it said centimeters, so I had inches, I would have gotten that wrong, right? So pay attention, it said centimeters. So I'm using my centimeter side, and it is about 9.5, 10 inches. So 9.5 or 10 inches on this side, or centimeters. I'll correct myself there. And this side is about 6 or 6.5 centimeters. All right, it's right kind of in between there. So if I was gonna find perimeter, how do I need to find that? Perimeter is side plus side plus side plus side. So I'll just stick with 10 and 6 so I don't have to add halves, right? I'll get a close enough. An estimate is good, right? Good enough is good enough. So 10 on this side. I know 10 over here. I know this side is equal to that side too. So 10 plus 10 plus side 6 plus side 6. That would be 10 plus 10 is 20. And 6 plus 6 is 12. Great. And 0 plus 2 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3. 32. Okay, so let me check my answers, my options. Let's see. Is it A, 10? No. B, 32? Probably. C, 16, or D, 36? Now I would go with B because that's exactly what we got, but I can see how someone might end up with a 32 because of the halves, right? So the answer is B. So make sure you go ahead and measure your calculator, add up the sides, and that's it, guys. You know how to do perimeter, and that's another STAAR question you got right.